Hello everyone and welcome to Dermatology Online with me Dr. Varma. As you all know, you leave comments and messages and we talk about it. So let's see whom do we have today. Okay. Today's question is from Ramesha. She's asking, Varma ma'am, I have these round reddish pink rash on my chest. First there was just one small rash. Past few days I have noticed 6 round circular rash. I'm hell worried now. Please provide guideline. Well, first of all, thank you Ramesha for such a clear description. And I think it's obvious, and as you have described it so clearly, I think it is ringworm. But rest assured, it is very common and the treatment is very effective. What is ringworm? Ringworm is a fungal infection. If it happens to be on your body, it's called Tinea carboris, as it's happened with Ramesha. Or agar it's a red rash, it's circular, it's itchy, and it's clear from inside. So ring होएगा, ठीक है, और अंदर साफ होएगा. तो if the name, ये जो नाम है रिंगवर्म, ये इसी वजह से पड़ा है, इसके अपीयरेंस की वजह से. इसमें कोई वर्म इन्वॉल्व नहीं है कि लोग को लगे कि कोई रिंगवर्म इन्वॉल्व है. जस्ट द नेम इज बिकॉज ऑफ द अपीयरेंस. It happens, it can happen on other parts of your body also. अगर आपको foot पे है तो we call it athlete foot, and medically it's called tinea pedis. अगर आपको private parts पे है तो we call it jock itch, and it's due to, medically it will be tinea culeus. If it happens to be on your scalp, it's called tinea capitis. Okay, ringworm it spread from person to person through skin. Like अगर direct skin contact हो infected person के साथ या animal के साथ, so it can happen. आपके symptoms क्या होंगे? You feel like a red ring like rash होएगा, which will have clear or scaly inside होगा, and scattered ना red bumps होंगे इस ring के ऊपर. या तो ये बिल्कुल फ्लैट एक रेड रिंग होगा इची वाला. कभी कभी ये लोग ओवरलैपिंग भी करते हैं, एक रिंग है दूसरा रिंग उसको ओवरलैप कर रहा है. रेज्ड एजेस होंगे या एक्सपांडिंग एजेस होंगे, एंड इट मस्ट बी इची. What causes it? It's caused by a very common mole-like parasite that live on the outer layer of our skin. And then when you get into contact with an infected person or animal, you get it yourself. So yes, how does it spread? From human to human, वही skin का direct contact हो. From animals also, अगर if you have pet and you grooming it or petting it and it happens to be कि उसको fungal हो, like animals में कैसे पता चलेगा? जब उनमें से skin दिखेगी और ऊपर फरना हो, तो you need to take your pet to the vet because शायद उसको फंगल होगा. सो अगर वो इन्फेक्टेड होगा एंड आप उसको पेट और ग्रूम करते हो, आपकी बिल्ली, आपको डॉग्स, इवन काउज में भी होता है, तो देयर यू गो, यू विल गेट इट फ्रॉम देयर. रेयर केसेस में इन्फेक्टेड सॉइल से भी हो जाता है. समटाइम्स सॉइल इज इन्फेक्टेड एंड आप गार्डनिंग कर रहे हो, आप बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम सॉइल में गुजार रहे हो, अगर वो इन्फेक्टेड होगा तो उससे भी हो सकता है. The high risk of getting ringworm, people who live in warm climates, you get to wear very restrictive and tight clothes, or you involved in sports like जैसे कि skin, जिसमें skin to skin contact हो, like wrestling हो गई. If you share your personal things with people, and what if they have fungal infection, so you can get it like towels, clothing, bedding, linen, your socks, your coat shoes. So yes, you can get it. What else? And people who have weak immune system, they can get it because they got high chances of getting ringworm. What are complication क्या हो सकती है? As such, fungal doesn't cross the layer of your skin. It doesn't cross, or it doesn't go below the skin. But people who have weak again immune system like HIV or AIDS, or या weak immune system हो or other compromised diseases हो, तो उनमें बस chances ये होते हैं कि it doesn't जल्दी सही नहीं होता, it take longer than normal. It's very hard to prevent ringworm because it's the fungus that causes it. It's very common, and before you know the signs and symptoms, you have it. So the best part is to just take care of yourself, educate yourself and others. Tell your children about it. जो shade area है, keep it clean, like schools, common shade areas, gyms, your lockers. Don't share your personal items with others. Like again, your जब आप mostly लोग gym में जाते हैं and the gym is providing the towels, I think you should take your own towels. And people who participate in skin to skin वाले sports, तो जैसे ही मैच खत्म हो, just take shower. And अगर आप humid और गर्म जगह पे हो, तो avoid wearing warm clothes because excessive sweating होती है. And more sweating, it will spread very quickly. And personal things share ना करें, like I say socks and ये coat shoes ये भी ना share करें because इससे होता है. And that's it. If you think you have this rash, you can get काउंटर से आपको एंटी फंगल वाली क्रीम्स मिल जाती है, and you can use it for 7 days, 2 weeks, and it's gone. But if it's still there after आपने 2 weeks यूज़ भी किया एंटी फंगल क्रीम्स को, तो then you need to go and see your dermatologist, probably something else. और अगर बहुत वाइड स्प्रेड है, तो then you need oral एंटी फंगल to control it. So काउंटर से आपको आराम से एंटी फंगल मिल जाती है with different names. डेक्टाकॉर्ड है, हाइड्रोजोल है, there are so many. So yes, you can get it from the counter. अगर सही नहीं होता within 2 weeks, then you need to see the doctor. I hope it helps, and leave your messages and comments as usual, and I'll read the emails and talk to you about it. See you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.